Hey everyone, it's Robert Roy, founder of WBHQ, and this edition of Trade with Rob, which is for November 5th, 2021. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets. First, keeping in mind that everything we look at today is for educational purposes only. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. All right. As we go in, guys, when we look at the S&P 500, let's get rid of that scrunch that's in there. Let's see. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go over to a mouse. We're going to get a drawing tool. And here's our V bottom on the S&P. Here's our V top on the S&P. Very, very nice, right? And we have burst out of that zero line. We've gone through 1, 2, 3 different fib lines already. Headed up to this fourth one right up here. Right? Just amazing run on the S&P. It's just day after day after day. We've got this great bullish move. Right? So with that, our candidate today is Apple. Earnings came out. It was a little bit shaky on the earnings. They've had nice climb, nice gain ever since. Right? Good move to the upside. And we've been before. We've gotten above the zero. We made it up to negative 136, so we're good to go. It broke out, came right back on the earnings, right? And then now we pushed up again nicely today. We're looking for a retest of that 150. And if we can get a retest of that 150, then where are we setting our stops and our targets up? Let me go set those up. And I've got them actually hidden. Let me bring those in here now, and then we'll take a look. All right, there they are. So here's what we're looking for. Let me zoom in on this and get us to just a little bit better view. Let's go grab a marking tool, drawing tool, so we can see on the screen what we're looking at. Okay, so in an ideal world, I'm looking for some kind of retest of the 150 and the bounce to take the entry. If you take that trade right there, I normally like to take a minimum of 2 contracts as a minimum because I want to scale out into 2 exits. If you can only do one or only want to do one, that's fine. You just take the first exit. So our first exit is going to be 152.5. That's target 1. And we're going to take 1x of our 2. X meaning contracts. You're going to take 1 contract off there. Your stop 1, S1, which initially is for 2 contracts, right? It's both. So if the stock moves up and hits target 1, we're out of 1 contract. If it goes against us and moves down, we're out of both contracts. Right? But let's say that it moves up, hits target number 1. What we're going to do then is cancel that stop, and we're going to move our stop up here somewhere to just above break even. S2 for stop number 2, which will also be 1 contract. This exit has already been filled, so our second target is right here, also 1 contract. So we're looking at 156 as our upside on this candidate. All right, so there you have it. What are we looking for? If we get the bounce and the move up, 152.5, 156 are our exits. Our initial stop is going to be at 149. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just 1 trade away. Take care, and I will see you at our next one. Bye for now. Folks, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the training. Now, if you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over here and hit the bell to keep up with all the latest trading content. And oh, did you know that we have a podcast? Supercharge your trading education with the Stock Market Millionaire, which you can find in the description down below. And while you're there, you can also find other amazing free trading resources that I've put together just for you.